Kakao Bank, Korea's second internet-only bank, burst onto the scene this week. Experts say Kakao Bank's successful rollout and strong brand recognition is sending ripples through Korea's financial landscape. Cha Sang-mi reports.
Kakao Corporation launched its new online-only banking service, Kakao Bank, on Thursday, less than 4 months after K-Bank, the first internet-only bank in Korea, started operating back in April.
I think the banking industry will change in a way that opening an account with a mobile banking service will be considered the new norm.
As of 8 a.m. Friday, just 25 hours since its launch, over 300,000 new accounts had been set up. That's more new accounts in a day than traditional banks get in a year and more than K-Bank got in its first month. On the bank's first day, new customers deposited nearly $70 million and took out $45 million worth of loans. For most people, visiting the bank is a hassle, so they'll be hoping these new online banks will make payments and transactions less of a chore. Customers can open an account in less than 10 minutes after downloading a mobile application on their smartphones and verifying their personal information online. Some 300,000 people downloaded the app in its first 12 hours of operation. Since Kakao Bank doesn't have any physical branches, it can offer better interest rates than traditional institutions, as well as overseas remittance at 1/10 the cost. Customers can also access ATMs anywhere inside Korea free of charge. Apart from accessibility, Kakao Bank has the advantage of being under the umbrella of the Kakao Corporation, best known for its instant messaging software Kakao Talk, which has over 40 million users in Korea.
The emergence of internet-only banks are good for customers, giving them more options as existing conventional banks are striving to come up with new customized services. But at the same time, there are concerns like online security and lack of face-to-face interaction between customer and service providers.
Only time will tell if internet-only banks are game changers in the banking sector, but they are paving the way for banking products that better cater to the ever-changing needs of today's customers. Cha Sang-mi, Arirang News.